fact, there's another important update that we are now getting for our viewers amid the outrage that we are seeing not just in Kolkata but across the country over the horrific rape and murder of a young 31-year-old doctor. Now there is a regressive statement that has been made by Mamata Banerjee's advisor, the advisor to Mamata Banerjee government, and he has said that we should avoid late night duty for women. Let's listen in.
Wherever possible, night duty may be avoided for women to the extent possible. যেখানে সম্ভব যতদূর সম্ভব মহিলাদের নাইট ডিউটি থেকে স্পেয়ার করবার চেষ্টা হবে। Wherever possible, night duty may be avoided for women to the extent possible. যেখানে সম্ভব যতদূর সম্ভব মহিলাদের নাইট ডিউটি থেকে স্পেয়ার করবার চেষ্টা হবে।
Let's go back to my colleague Pooja, who is joining us live for more on this. Pooja, what kind of a direction this is? Night duty must be avoided for women. Instead of ensuring that women are feeling safe in Kolkata, especially after the shocking incident that has happened, now the advisor to the Chief Minister is trying to suggest that we can't do anything to protect women in Bengal. Avoid night duty for women because probably they are not safe at night.
Well, absolutely. In the wake of this murder and rape of a doctor, there were fresh security measures that have been drawn by the West Bengal government. On Saturday, we've seen how the chief advisor to West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, Mr. Alapan Bandyopadhyay, had held a press conference, and it said that how some measures are being taken by the West Bengal government to ensure safety and security of working women. But as far as women doctors are concerned, there are some stricter measures being undertaken. One of them being that their duty hours should not exceed 12 hours. And as far as possible, as much as possible, night duty should be avoided. While he hasn't said that night duty should be completely avoided, he has left it to the hospitals to decide, but he said it that as much as possible, night duty should be avoided for the lady doctors. However, on the other hand, BJP leaders and the other doctors feel that this is a retrograde step and this is nothing to do with women's security, and it will only affect the opportunities of the doctors, where women doctors will be seen as not appropriate or not good enough to do night duties. So doctor fraternity, medical fraternity feels that this is not a good step towards ensuring safety and security of women. The onus is on the government to provide security to female doctors, and the onus is on them to, ensure that there is no problem while they are on duty at night.
Right, Pooja, stay on with us. We are also getting a reaction from Shubhendu Adhikari of the BJP. Let's listen in.
সরকারগুলি মহিলাদের নামে একটা চাটুকার তাকে দিয়ে বলছে যে রাত্রিবেলা
We will try and get you that reaction from Shubhendu Adhikari of the BJP, but this clearly is a regressive statement that has come from Didi's advisor.
বলছে যে রাত্রিবেলা মহিলাদের ডিউটি করার দরকার নেই। সবচেয়ে বড় তো এটা বিপন্ন পশ্চিমবঙ্গে মহিলাদের যে
Adhikari is saying that Alapan Bandyopadhyay said that lady doctors cannot go for night duties. This press conference is being done from Nabanno by her advisor Alapan Bandyopadhyay.
দিনের বেলাও মহিলারা বাড়ি থেকে বেরোবেন না।